So guys, today's video I'm going to give you the basic fundamental direction of this particular currency pairs that I'm about to introduce to you guys. Okay, so now you are going to work on the major currency pairs now. Now with the major currency pair, you have six assets over there. You have the AUD USD, the Euro, and the GBP USD, and you have the USD Swiss francs, USD JPY, and USD CAD. Okay, but now today I'm going to give you the overall direction of the markets with only three currency pairs, which of course you have the AUD USD, the Euro USD, and you have the GBP USD. Now starting from the AUD USD, who can tell me the direction of this market? The direction of this market is in a bullish direction. Okay, now you will pick our swing low from this point to this point. Okay, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. You can also see higher high, higher low formations. Okay, so here is our here's where it ends. So now the AUD USD is in a bullish direction. Now let's check the Euro USD. The Euro USD is also in a bullish direction. Here's our swing low, here's our lower low, swing high, swing low, swing high. Okay, and you have the GBP USD. The GBP USD is also in a bullish direction. Now I'm telling you that these three currency pairs, it's only the AUD USD that is in the bullish direction. Okay, the Euro USD and the GBP USD are in a bearish direction. Now with this form of analyzing the market, I don't know, it is not popular out there, but if you know how the correlation works in the major currency pair, you would understand what I'm teaching you guys. Okay, you understand every big thing that I'm teaching you guys here. Now when you want to pick a support or resistance level, here will be our resistance level on GBP USD. On Euro USD, here will be our resistance level, and on the AUD USD, here will be our support level. So now someone may ask, before you would have an entry point, where is the special, or what is the specific place that you have to wait for market to get before you get your entry point? Now when you pick your support level, there's a saying that when the market is ranging or the market is in a bullish direction, you have to wait for market to have a pullback at the previous resistance level, now tend to support, then you pick your buy from that point. Okay, when you're having a downtrend, you wait for market to break the support level and have a pullback at the resistance level, now tend to support, and you take yourself from that point. So at this point, when you want to take a decision based on buy or sell, now I would say the sellers are controlling or are in the strong momentum in this particular market, because you are having AUD trending bearish, you're having GBP trending bearish. So what you need to look out for is to look out for sell. And what will help you to have that kind of entry point, sell entry point, is for you to wait for market of AUD USD to break the support level, then you find your sell position over there. So now at this point, you are having markets of AUD has support here. So now when you go on the lower time frame, this is on the daily time frame. When you go on the lower time frame, you see all the major currency pair trending bearish. Okay, the market will be creating lower high formations until market breaks the support level. So make sure at this point or at this time you don't trade. You will not have an entry point until markets of AUD USD break the support level before you decide to take a sell position. Okay, so now when you want to have an entry point at this point, I would say it is very risky for you to do that, because the probability that market is not going to respect your support level or your resistance level is very high. because at that point markets will be consolidating until markets of AUD USD breaks the support level. So make sure you will be patient for markets to break this support level before you look out for a selling trade. Okay, now if you don't know how the correlation works, what I'm teaching you here, you will never understand it. It doesn't matter how many years you've been in this trade or you've been in this market. If you don't know how the correlation works in the major currency pair, it will be very, very difficult for you to understand anything that I'm teaching you here. So now, wait for markets of AUD USD to break the support level. Now, the reason that you should wait for market of AUD USD to break the support level is that already you having the AUD USD and the GBP USD already in the downwards direction, which is in the bearish direction. So it gives that leverage. Okay, it gives that leverage for you to sell whenever AUD USD breaks the support level. Okay, I know it will be very difficult for especially the newbies to understand anything that I'm teaching here, but trust me, you will get it. Okay, with time I'll be elaborating I'll be making sure that things will make sense to you. So make sure at this point you relax. You will not even try to trade, because trust me, you'll blow your account. Okay, you'll blow your account. So what I'm telling you guys is that wait for the AUD USD to break this support level before you look out for a selling trade. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like and share, so that anytime I drop video here, you'll be one of the first people to consume the content. And trust me, very legit, and I'm not hiding anything that I've learned in the market for so many years now. I'm ready to spit everything out here for you to also leverage on a kind of knowledge that I've had within 5 years time frame, and we also be making money on anything that I'm teaching here. So make sure you take the technical side very seriously, and the psychological side also, the money management also seriously, because if you're having 100% accurate strategy, then your risk management is very poor. It's poor. Trust me, you blow your account within a day. You can have 10k, then you blow the account in a day. So make sure you not be greedy. You wait for market to do what I've told you, and you take advantage of that, either by selling or buying. Okay, so now this is beyond technical side. This is beyond technicals and fundamental analysis. Okay, it's beyond technical and fundamental analysis, because as I told you earlier on, any technical person that will see this particular direction of the market, a person will say the market is in a bullish direction. Meanwhile, it's only one currency pair that is in a bullish direction. Okay, it's only one currency pair. The AUD is the only currency pair that is in a bullish direction. But when you check on the USD and GBP, it's in a bearish direction. So look out for bearish trades. Thank you.